Welcome. If you wanna turn off the location of your OPPO A31, we can do this on two ways. The first one is to open notification bar and just click on the location service icon. The second one is to go to the settings. Now scroll down, click on the device and privacy. Oh, sorry, there's mistake, not here. We have to tap on the search location. Yeah. Oh, it was in the device in privacy because I don't see it. So tap on the location service, and this is how you can turn on from the option. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.